In this video, we will be going over the theory behind the math examples. Let's begin now on Math CAT. 3, 2, 1. It is possible to take the square root of a fraction. Let's find the square root of 1/4. Turns out 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. 1/2 squared is 1/4. So it would be accurate to say the square root of 1/4 is 1/2. And negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 is 1/4. Positive. Negative 1/2 squared is 1/4. So it's accurate to say the square root of positive 1/4 is negative 1/2. So the square root of positive 1/4 is plus or minus 1/2. What's the square root of 1 over 81? Turns out 1/9 times 1/9 is 1 over 81. 1/9 squared is 1 over 81. Therefore the square root of 1 over 81 is 1/9. And negative 1/9 times negative 1/9 is positive 1 over 81. Negative 1/9 squared is positive 1 over 81. The square root then of 1 over 81 is also negative 1/9. So we would write the square root of 1 over 81 equals plus or minus 1/9. How about the square root of a decimal? Well, 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. 0.5 squared is 0.25. Therefore, the square root of 0.25 is positive 0.5. And as you know by now, negative 0.5 times negative 0.5 is positive 0.25. Negative 0.5 squared is 0.25. So the square root of 0.25 positive is negative 0.5. The square root of 0.25 is plus or minus 0.5. One more thing that I will show you about square roots. What if we wanted to take the square root of a negative number? The square root of negative 100 is like saying what two numbers that can we multiply together that will give us a negative 100? Well, we know that a positive times a positive number will give us a positive number. And we know that a negative times a negative number will give us a positive number. There aren't any real numbers that multiplied together will give a negative number. So if you have a calculator, type this in, square root of negative 100, and on a Texas Instrument, you'll get this word. Done. You're done. And on another kind of calculator, I tried it, and I got this. Square root of a negative number, exclamation point. There are no answers, and your calculator cannot help you. So I hope you learned something about taking the square root of numbers.